Good morning, everybody. On Wednesday, I wanted to update just a little on how to do this because there's been some questions about how to do this. So here is the chart you were supposed to make. This is the second chart, right? The first one had these three littler circles. So now you were supposed to make this chart on a big piece of paper, right? So now I've made this, right? So I've made my chart. And now that I have my chart, I'm supposed to take what I want is those lists of global issues in the assignment today you're going to put on here. So let's take HIV/AIDS, okay? So maybe I'm going to put HIV in both of these. I'm going to put HIV in society because in society it was a disease, it was about behavior, right? But also I'm going to put HIV in environment because the more environments change, the more we are globally connected, the more we're moving around, the more our environments actually are damaged, right? That's going to open us up to pandemics. So I could put it in both places. But definitely it would go in society because that is definitely a disease that is about society behavior. Okay, so maybe I want to take poverty. So poverty, I might put in economy because it's about our choices we make as a society. I mean, about as well in our society, but regarding economy, about how we treat people, how we divide money, how we pay, do we give people fair wages? It all comes down to that, right? Maybe I put global warming. Down here in environment because global warming is definitely something that's affected by how we're treating the environment. Okay, so you're looking at where those issues, which of these, economy, society, and environment, do they kind of stem from, right? So why do we have those global issues? Because these three circles are not aligned. And as long as the three circles are not really seen as overlapping and intertwined with each other instead of separate, we're going to have these global issues. So where do these global issues begin to fit into here? And they might fit into multiple categories, but I want you to take each issue, think about where it could go, and then place it into this chart, okay? We're going to work on this some more, but that is part of your task today. So 1 was to make the charts from the video. 2 was to do this. 3 is to then write 5 sentences answering the questions I gave you about this chart. Why this chart instead of this chart? What are your thoughts about that? Right? And I want to know like why you think that and how is something like right now with the pandemic going to play into differently if we look at this chart versus looking at this one. Okay? Hopefully that helps. I'm in meetings for a little bit this morning, but then feel free to touch base with me. Okay? Feel free to call too if you just really need me to explain it. All right. Love you guys. Have a good day.